going. I screwed up the exhaust on my 2018 Dodge Challenger V6. So I got the pipes right there and they're cut off right there. And I also went ahead and put a straight pipe where the mufflers were, but I messed up the angles, so that hanger that's over there isn't on right now. This side's good. This side's good, but this side is just messed up. But it doesn't sound bad. I have some. I'm just gonna take it to an exhaust shop and have them put new pipes on, and then have tips get put on so it sounds a lot better. I don't think it sounds that bad. I mean, you know it's a V6, but it's whatever. Try to do it the cheap way. Couldn't really do it. But this is my baby. Got it about a month ago. Has less than 1,500 miles on it and already messed up something on it. But she looks good. She don't sound that bad either. But make sure you follow, subscribe, and tell me what you want to see and I'll try to do it. that's the end of my video, guys. It's my first YouTube video, so hopefully it's not too bad. But I put in some driving video so you can hear it, or at least get a better video of it, or get a better idea of how it sounds. But if you have a V6 Challenger, and if you like the way it sounds, it's a pretty cheap way to do it. It's too easy just to get a Sawzall or an angle grinder even, and then just cut off the mufflers and the resonators, and then put a 18-inch straight pipe from AutoZone that costs $7 a piece, and then you can even clamp it. I welded it. That's because I had access to a welder, but I kind of like it. But I want more of the going out the back with tips kind of sound and look. But if you like that and you're happy with that being dumped right before the resonators are supposed to be, I mean, that's a good way to have exhaust, I guess. My MPGs have actually gone up since I cut the mufflers off and all that. So there's one bright side of it. But I will see y'all next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like.